leaving my car here. The light up Christmas tree that's super expensive. Do I need these? I'm a little worried today because this is supposed to be like a quick in and out. Thriftmas might be starting right here right now. I don't know what that is. That's what it looks like. You're right in front of the camera. Hello, you guys. How is it going? I hope everyone's doing well. I always want to be kind of positive but real space for you guys to come and just feel comfortable, because that's what YouTube is for me. And as I mentioned in a previous video, I'm just trying to put out content that I would want to watch. So hope everyone is doing well. My heart is with everyone today, and today is going to be the best day that we can possibly make it. And I'm just starting it off here in the morning with you guys. I'm trying to be better at like making cohesive vlogs that make some type of sense instead of just vlogging random clips like I did all summer. But today we have an event, and I actually have a super exciting doctor's appointment. I kind of don't really know what to expect, so I'm not gonna like preface you guys too much, but it's a new clinic that's opening in Toronto for women by women. And I mentioned this, I think, in the last vlog, how hard it is to find a female doctor, or just doctors in general right now in Canada. As many of you probably already know, our healthcare is free, and I say it like this because there's still things you have to pay for, and we pay for it with our taxes. But I am grateful for that. It's just, I feel like there's a shortage in doctors right now, and I've heard from other doctors that that is in fact the case. So finding a good one is like a diamond in the rough at this point. And this is no shade to you if you are a good doctor that lives in Ontario. I just have not experienced one my entire life. So I'm really keeping my fingers crossed that this is the experience that I am hoping it is. If it's not, I might be in tears later, but I'm not gonna do that. There's worse things going on in the world. But yeah, it seems like they cover everything under one roof, like so many female things, including like injections and skin and stuff, which I'm not going for. Not going for that. But in that kind of vein, they also do like health and nutrition, and I just wanted to say thank you so much to everyone that engaged with my last vlog, or whichever vlog it was, where I was talking about like weight loss and how I kind of wanted to speak more about it, but I was scared and all that kind of stuff, because so many of you were really appreciative at how I went about it, and that makes me so happy. Should I do a daily vlog but just focus on all the health related things? Because I feel like right now when I'm vlogging, I'm just kind of focusing on like the life highlights, like going to events and thrifting and all that. But should I do like a vlog where I just show you guys like my workouts, what I eat, what I drink, like sleep, and just focus on all of that? But let me know, because I'm not entirely sure about how to dive into that. If weight is triggering to you, just skip ahead like a minute. I promise we'll be back soon. But I think one of the main things that was getting me stuck with like my whole health journey in the last couple of years was seeing things on social media about like how our hormones are changing, and like it's out of our control essentially because of the environment we live in, the food we're consuming, and all that. And like if you want to overhaul your hormones, you have to do literally so much and change your entire lifestyle. So I just kind of thought like my weight was going to be my weight for the rest of my life. But these jeans, I actually just put them on for the first time in a while because they were hanging out in the basement. Reformation sent me these jeans. I can't remember. I think it was actually around my birthday, like in March, because none of my other jeans were fitting me, and they graciously sent some over. Not that they noticed that. I asked for them. It sounded weird. They're like, here, we noticed your jeans aren't fitting. But these were like pretty tight when I first got them because I didn't want to go up another size, because I knew like I kind of wanted to lose some weight at the time. But they are fully big on me now, like big 2 sizes. I don't know if you guys can see that because the viewfinder is really small. And I don't know, it's just kind of nice to know that it is possible if you stick to your goals and the challenge, or whatever you want to call it, whatever gets you there. And yeah, it's just making me feel better. It's not all about the weight, it's just about how you feel. So thought I'd give you guys that quick update, but we're actually gonna head out now. So see you in the car. Okay, so I told Daniel I was doing errands, which I technically am. I'm just making a pit stop at the thrift store, of course. And I tried to look like chic and not like I just rolled out of the bed / shower. So my little life hack was baggy jeans, baggy top, then putting a jacket that's not super baggy over top. It's still kind of boxy, if that makes sense. literally wearing my Ugg slippers that have now become my outdoor Uggs because they're great for like Pilates classes. And yeah, accessorize. I do actually want to find a belt though, because I was thinking when I was putting together this little ensemble that like a mid-size brown belt would look really nice. But I don't have anything of the sort because I've been so busy thrifting like big chunky boho-esque belts, so that will be on the list. I really don't need things, but I just love thrifting on Thursdays and Fridays, so I just had to go. And then I'm going to pick up the Ninja Creamy for our cleaning lady, but I'll get into that in a second. Looks like it's already Christmas. I don't know about a black Christmas tree, I'm gonna be honest. I think I see something promising over here. Someone just abandoned this, but I will now take her. She's $4. Favorite raptor to ever exist. Do I buy this? Oh my god, it's $12. No, sorry, Damar, you're gonna stay right there. Okay, I just saw these little mugs and I liked the little ribbon, of course, because we all do right now. And then I just like realized it's an entire set, like so much. I'm like wondering if this came from a restaurant or something. But what? Do I need these? Who loves me, who loves me? They don't say who loves me not, which is kind of great, positive energy. But now I'm like, what do I buy? I have decided I'm having like a tea party with this. It's all too cute. These are exactly what I wanted. They were in the Halloween section, guys. I just found a stunning little fluffy coat and these suede pants. They're only $10. I hope you guys can hear me. Thank you. I'm a little worried today because this is supposed to be like a quick in and out. What is happening? These are also $9 and I was needing leather pants. Okay, you guys can't see. I think these are gonna fit me too. Oh, I didn't even wear shorts. God, you guys, they were just putting this out and I asked them if I could see it. It's Ralph Lauren, like old Ralph Lauren collection. Stunning. Draws on the floor. That's a good down skirt. Look at this one. I just don't need it, but like, this is an iconic mini skirt. This is so intriguing to me. It's like real vintage, but it looks like kind of more of a modern style. Oh my god, with that skirt, that would be gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love how they have the coats just all here, like the stunning ones. They know what they're doing. I don't know what that is. Shut up. The belts are here. I almost wonder where I buy them because I'm like, who cares? I'm gonna do a video all about Coach Poppy. Me manifesting the denim one. The Coach Poppy stuff is so like on trend right now. It's only $14, so I might buy it to back up my video statement. Like, what I need. I need to get this. I've been having a huge leopard moment, and this is for a wine bag, like for Christmas gift, you guys. Christmas might be starting right here, right now. I'm being dramatic. We have to get through Halloween first. Guys, I think the belt was a success. And sadly for my wallet, all of this was also a success, so I gotta get out of here. Okay guys, that was too good. It was unintentionally too good. I found suede pants, I found leather pants, I found a short cropped fluffy jacket, I found 2 pairs of brown boots that look like the Fry camper boots that I've been wanting, and I found Daniel some things, and I found that tea set. Freaking popped off today. Oh yeah, the dress, the belt, oh my gosh, too good. And I was only in there for like half an hour, maybe an hour. But I'm at Canadian Tire now. I'm picking up our cleaning lady, which I guess is like kind of a taboo subject, but I wanted to talk about that. She's also just someone that Daniel has had in his life for a very, 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 very long time. And we love her, we appreciate her. And you know, ever since Daniel and I moved into the house, it's been like such a blessing, but at the same time, cleaning an entire house and like keeping it tidy, especially when you're cooking every day, and Daniel's like throwing food all over his table to make product videos, and I'm doing constant laundry with like thrifting and all that. It is nice to have her come every few weeks to just help us get back on track. It is so worth it, and we just honestly love her presence, and so does Goji. So it's always a day we look forward to, but it was just her birthday, so I'm picking her up a Ninja Creamy. because I think she wants that. So the condition is that she makes me an ice cream, because I was so tempted to get it, and Daniel and I really considered it, but we just decided probably best to like wait until next summer, because I'm not like a big cold dessert in the cold season kind of person. So I saw they have it in stock, so they better actually have it in stock. Let's go pick it up. I don't really know how to describe Canadian Tire for those of you that aren't Canadian, but this is what it looks like in here. I'm sure there's like an American comparable, but it's not just tires, although I do get my tires changed here. They have like house stuff, not really like decor, but they do stock like Christmas and seasonal, like outdoor stuff mostly. I guess it's mostly outdoor stuff. I did see though, like they had really cute like retro decor last year, so I'm trying to see. Oh my gosh, like look how cute this is. It's like the light up Christmas tree that's super expensive, vintage, but in a ornament form. Oh my god, should I get this for Goji? Like so she can mimic me? I've seen those TikToks. I don't know if she would actually do that though. But these are all stinking cute. But on the subject note of Goji, I don't really know what we're gonna do this year, because she's going to attack the tree. I have like a silver tinsely tree, and I just know it's a recipe for disaster. So let me know if you have a cat, like what you do. You definitely don't want to get a real tree because she'll eat it, and I know that's not good for them, but yeah, I'm already sidetracked, so let's go get that creamy. Let's go. So my appointment went well. It was more like a meeting. I met with the owner and she was amazing, and I'm super excited. Essentially, it's like a privatized healthcare system where you pay a subscription, but I'll get more into that later if you guys are interested. Gotta get some groceries. I love like food content, so trying to share more of that with you guys. And I got 2 new things at the grocery store. I don't know how to say that, but it's protein coffee. I was gonna stop at one of my favorite coffee shops to grab a coffee, but I really don't want to hit rush hour, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna just go for this, and it's got protein, so that's kind of good. Oh, it's an interesting taste. It tastes more coffee-y than protein-y, so I don't mind that. I'll have this on my way down here, another protein drink, so really just like the milk girl at this point. But I also got these bison snack sticks because the ingredients were pretty good. The ingredients in these things are not ideal, so we're gonna try this one out. The brand is Bison Snack Sticks, I guess. It's the packaging. Let's see. I love the chomps, but we can't get them here in Canada. Has a very like not artificial taste to it. Leaving my car here. This literally looks like a tow truck. This is where I picked up my car when I got it towed. I swear it was around. Yeah, I swear it was around here actually.
Ours was so far.
Look at that. That's what it looks like.
Now we believe it's our responsibility to have a positive impact on people and planet, and that we're big enough to make a difference. In this spirit, we acknowledge and hold space for those who come before us.
We've been really nailing this Mary Kate and Ashley. Yeah, because like yesterday was like this too. We just understand the vibes of fall. I know, it's true. I'm trying to go for like retro Ikea. They can't get by. These are big bowls. Yeah, big bowls. Big bowls. Okay, guys. I know the lighting is probably not ideal. We turn on the ugly hot lights. She sees this new tote and she's like, yeah, my mom got me a great gift today. Not a big overhead light gal. If you know me, you know. What are you doing, miss? What are you doing? You're right in front of the camera. You're right in front of the camera, miss. You wanna see the bag? Okay, so we're gonna open the Ikea gift bag. It was super fun being invited to an Ikea event. I'm like really trying to put myself out there a little bit more now in terms of work, but I'm only trying to do things with brands that like I truly love and admire. And Ikea is obviously one of them. So they gave a super nice gift bag. Rachel kind of opened hers in the car. First of all, we all got this mirror. Stunning. I need a good vanity mirror. Daniel's probably gonna steal that from me actually, so great. Love that though. I feel like that's such a good idea. Everyone needs a mirror. Look, oh, biscuits with sweetener. not gluten-free and definitely not healthy for you, but they're Ikea cookies, so great to put out with some tea and coffee. Anyways, I love the like ginger snap Ikea cookies. That's just a side note. They're so delicious. Some jars, the Vendor Fint design. How cute. I feel like these are kind of Christmas-y vibes because they've got little stars on them and they're little like jars. That'd be actually, that would have been great for my apple butter if I want to like give it to people. Well, maybe if I do a dinner party, that'd be a fun little idea. We're almost there, Goat. You're almost gonna get the empty bag and this blankie. So they gave us a blanket. You love blankets. The Homevie blanket. I guess it's like, not even a blanket, like a little throw, but that's super cute. And yeah, then they gave this tote, which is really stinking cute as well. Oh my gosh, these are like your llamas that you love. And there's a little zipper pouch. Nice. There's a gift card, which is so sick. $50. Love that. So that was a really nice, generous gift bag. I'm super excited to go and spend that at Ikea. Maybe some like Christmas decor. I don't know what I need, to be honest. Yeah, it was a very fun night. We just got back because didn't really eat much there, so we grabbed a little bite after at Earl's, and so that's it for tonight. I don't really know what's going on tomorrow, but I will say I am enjoying like vlogging consistently and kind of updating you guys throughout my day because I told you I want to like upload content that I enjoy watching, and I really like watching vlogs where people are just talking to the camera. So hopefully you guys are liking this as well, but I think I'm just gonna make some tea and watch Gilmore Girls. Love is Blind comes out tomorrow, and that's what I'll be doing on my Friday night, just in case anyone's wondering.